Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class. Today's topics problem involving four rules, chapter 3, class 5. We have already taken 2 classes on this chapter. This is my third class. I have written one questions. Farida and Fatima's salary is 19,950 taka in total. Fatima paid 2,450 taka more than Farida. How much did Farida and Fatima's salary each of them? First, I'll write Farida and Fatima salary together is 19,950 taka. But Fatima paid 2,450 taka more than Farida. That is, Fatima paid is more taka than Farida. So, Fatima paid 2,450 taka more than Farida. If we add, then the amount, half of the amount will be the amount of salary of Fatima. So, Fatima's salary is a half of sum of these two amount 0,550, one is hand, 5,914, one is hand, 3,922, one is hand. This is the 22 taka. So therefore Fatima's salary is 22,400 divided by 2. Two ones are 2. This also 2 ones are 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, here 2 0. So you can write here 2 0. We get Fatima's salary is 11,200 taka. Since the salary of Farida and Fatima's together is 19,950 taka and Fatima's salary here 11,200. So if you subtract 11,200 from 19,950, then we will get the Farida's salary. Now Farida's salary is 19,950 minus 11,200. We can use in rough 19,950, 11,200. Here 5, 7, 8. That is 8,750 taka. We got answer. Therefore, Fatima's salary is salary is 11,200 taka, and Farida's salary is 8,750 taka. This is answer. Now I'll solve question number 10. Question number 10. The sum of ages of a mother and her son is 60 years. Mother's age is 3 times the age of the son. Now question, what are their ages? What are their ages? I am reading this question again. The sum of ages of a mother and her son is 60 years. Mother's age is 3 times the age of the son. What are their ages? First, I'll write mother's age is 3 times the age of her son, and son age is 1 time of himself. If we add the total 4 times will be 4 times of the age of son is equal to 60 years. Total times here 4 times. So this 4 times is equal to 60 years. So what will be the one time will be the age of the son. So therefore son's age is 60 divided by 40. 4 ones are 4, 2 and 5 is 20. So son's age here 15 years. Sum of age of a mother and her son is 60 years. Together this, and we get son's age is 15 years. So mother's age will be 60 minus 15. 60 minus 15, 5 to 45 years. We got answer. Mother's age is 45 years and son's age is 15 years. Now I will solve in question number 15. First I will raise this question. Divisor is 78. The quotient is 25 and the remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. What is the dividend? What is the dividend? Before solving this, I want to discuss something about divisor, quotient, remainder and dividend. I am giving one example. Suppose 3 is divided by 7. It will be 3 to the 6. Here 3 is divisor, 7 dividend, 2 quotient and 1 is remainder. Again I am telling here 3 is divisor, 7 dividend, 2 quotient and 1 remainder. So we can write here 7 is equal to 3 multi 2 plus 1. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Here 3 is divisor, 2 quotient and 1 remainder. And 7 here dividend. We got a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now here question. Divisor is 78 and the quotient is 25 and the remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. So remainder is equal to 1/3 of the divisor. 1/3 of, here divisor is 78. You can take 1 as a denominator. So you know I will cut 78 by 3. This will be 26. So here remainder is 26. Divisor is given 78. Quotient is given 25. I want to find the value of dividend. So we know dividend is equal to divisor multi quotient plus remainder. I write in small letter here. So divisor here 78, quotient 25 and remainder 26. First we will solve 78 multi 25. Here I am doing 5 8 is 40, 4 is hand, 5 7 is 35, 35 plus 4 39, 8 to the 16, 1 is hand, 7 to the 14, 14 and 1 15, 0 15 9 19 50 plus 26. Now 6 0, this will be 6 2 5 7 19. We got answer. Dividend is equal to 1976, that is 1976. Thank you for watching my class. Stay home, keep you safe.